Does your club have money sitting around that needs to be deposited? This video will walk you through step-by-step how to properly deposit your money into the Student Activity Fund. The entire process of depositing money should be done by 2 people to ensure accuracy, usually your club treasurer and 1 other officer or advisor. In order to make a deposit, you first need to get a deposit ticket and deposit bag from the main office. Once you have counted all of your money and have gotten all your supplies, you need to fill out all the information on the bag and ticket. Starting with the bag, write Austining in the box next to customer name. Enter the cash amount, the checks amount, and the total amount in the designated boxes. Now put all cash and coins in the top pocket of the bag. Paper checks go into the bottom pocket. All checks need to be first stamped with the district's deposit information, which you should see the secretary in the main office for. Do not seal the bag yet. You can do that at the very end once you have checked in with the main office staff to ensure that all information is complete. Moving on to the deposit ticket, start by writing the date on your deposit at the top. On the lines below, fill out the currency section, which are your loose bills and coins. After that, you list your check amounts individually, 1 per line. To finish off the deposit ticket, total the amount of all your cash, coins, and checks and write it in the bottom box. Finally, write your club name, club number, and the bank deposit bag number on the deposit ticket. Remember, make sure you use a ballpoint pen and write firmly to ensure the writing goes through all 3 copies of the ticket. Moving on to the receipt. All clubs should have their own receipt book. Do not take the receipt out of the book until you have fully completed it. To avoid writing through, put the piece of card between sets of the receipts. On your receipt, write the date, club number, club name, dollar amount of deposit, bank deposit number, and what activity or fundraiser your money is from. Be sure that your club's advisor and treasurer sign the receipt. It's time to assemble the deposit bag. The white copy of the deposit slip goes into the bottom pocket of the bag. The pink copy of the deposit ticket, as well as the white copy of the receipt, gets stapled to the outside of the bag using only 1 staple. The yellow deposit ticket and top tab of the deposit bag is for your club to hold on to. At this point, you can bring your assembled bag to the main office to be checked over and then finally sealed. Your final step is to document your deposit amount in the club's ledger in the revenue column. When possible, your deposits should be prepared and turned in within 24 hours of collecting funds. Good luck with your fundraising, OHS clubs!